Prostitution is considered to be the oldest profession in the history of the world. Since time immemorial, we have heard of the prostitution. Lot of places it is believed that prostitutes consume the poison of society. With the evolution of society, many countries find it obligatory to impose a ban on this practice. Ill treatment. Various reasons for prostitution are ill treatment by parents, bad companies, belonging to a family of prostitutes, social customs, lack of sex education, rape victims, early marriage and desertions, economic causes including poverty and economic distress. In India, prostitution is not illegal. It is the practices like soliciting sex in a public place, keeping a brothel, pimping is criminal. Prostitution causes women irrevocable mental and physical damage along with emotional abuse due to a derogatory social standing. Thousands of women and young girls are exploited by pimps and brothels in order to reap profit while continuously being subjected to exploitation, molestation, beatings, rape, confinement, drugs, alcohol, etc. Considering the lackadaisical approach of the government and low moral ethics of the law abiding and law enforcing forces, I feel there may be very few disadvantages for the legalization of the prostitution. However, some may be summarized as below. Rape may decrease. The fight against human trafficking could be better fought against. There would be less sex crimes. Sex workers would be guaranteed access to health facilities. These workers can be offered periodical checkups for HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases, which in long term may help in controlling the disease. Those who are trapped in this profession by force can be rehabilitated. Mafias who are into selling young girls will come under a scanner. Children of these sex workers will have access to medical facilities, education and other primary facilities. Will not end abuse, it will make abuse legal. By legalizing prostitution, we openly commit ourselves to the notion that the female body is a commodity that can be bought by the man for money. This will irrevocably change our perception of male and female role in the society. Research concluded that countries where prostitution was legalized displayed a higher inflow of human trafficking compared to those countries which deemed it illegal. Legalization will be a gift to pimps, traffickers and sex industry. It will promote sex trafficking. Legalization will not control the sex industry. It will expand it. It will increase child prostitution. It will increase demand for prostitution. It boosts the motivation of the men to buy women for sex. Due to poverty, legalization will encourage people from poor section to take shortcuts and make money. If Anti-Corruption Act could not prevent corruption and Immoral Trafficking Act could not prevent illegal human trafficking, how could legalization will end the prostitution? It will give free tickets to girls to enter into the profession. Prostitution should be decriminalized. In other words, it's not a criminal offense to work as a prostitute. Women should not be criminalized for being the victim of abuses. Nothing stops us from helping the prostitute get medical help, education, access to rehabilitation if they do so wish, get the children out of the cycle. Nobody chooses to be born poor, nobody chooses to be born a girl, and no one wishes for such type of occupation, and hence prostitution should not be legalized. By involving whole society, it should be reduced and abolished. Thank you.